Guys, it rained real hard. Rained so hard, it almost. Oh, it made the wash flooded. Ooh, ooh. 500,000 likes. I'm walking here. Okay, thank you guys for the likes. I'm walking in. I'm just kidding, you guys. We'll be that dumb to walk in. I'll make a little boat. See if this will float. See if it will float. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's floating, so. Ugh, it's raining and thundering, and my dogs are here, and Butterballs are here. Yeah.
That dog and comes out.
It's like a hobo river. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I don't know if I should call my friends. Subscribe to my buddy. His name is Skateboarding Kid 7777. But if that doesn't work, when you search it up, just type in Fuzz X Baby. It should type up or show. Oh, stop. I'm gonna try to jump across. Use my nigger legs. Start from back here. Oh, slip. 1, 2, we'll drop in. Oh, wait, I almost slipped because of the mud. 1, 2, 3, nigger legs. Activate. One jump across. Whoa, I almost jumped in. Oh, look. Let's go, bear. B-whoop. B-whoop, bear. Let's go. Let's go, bear. Let's go, little punk. Let's go, punkies beach. Fuck off me. All I heard was, get the fuck off me. Heard that? See, look at that wash. Should go swimming. Let's go swimming. We can easily run across this. Yeah, it was. It's over there. Back there is very deep. Let's see if this ball floats. Did you walk in there? Huh? Did you walk in there? No. You going to? Yeah. Let's see how deep it is. Oh, that's cold. That's cold, man.
Oh, hell no.
I'm still standing right here. See. Me kick pebbles into. This guy's all scared. What are they doing? Mm-hmm. Well, I seen this guy's dad come out. Hey, kick Robert's ass for me. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, chicken. Horny man. This is like driving a pimp car, like boom, 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 boom. Should throw a dog in? Let's throw a dog in. Really?
Yes. What?
Get grabbed.